Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, today we are going to learn the concluding chapter of history, the last chapter. The name of the chapter is Print Culture and the Modern World. Dear students, you are perhaps fully aware that this printing system, I mean to say that printing the books, printing press, printing the news editorials, the magazines, the etc., have come from China. You know, from the Huanghu Valley, it is the talk of the Bronze Age civilization. During Bronze Age civilization, China was considered as the advanced country at that time. When we see the improvements, when we see the inventions and discoveries of that very time, the finger goes up towards the China. Perhaps you have learned the Urdu verse. एक शेर है उर्दू में, तो आम तौर पर ये हम पढ़ते हैं, बार बार हर महफिल में पढ़ते हैं. कहते हैं, जहालत ऐब है इस्लाम के आइन में, इल्म हासिल कीजिए चाहे मिले वो चीन में. The meaning of this verse in Arabic is utlubul ilma walau kana bisin, and this is the saying of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. इसका मंशा ये है कि तालीम हासिल करो अगर आपको चीन भी जाना पड़े, दरेग नहीं कर लेना चाहिए. तो ये चीन का नाम इसलिए आया है क्योंकि चीन जो है ये पुराने ज़माने से लेकर, माजी से लेकर अब भी बहुत ही ये तालीम के मैदान में बहुत एडवांस्ड है. प्रिंटिंग के मैदान में so far as books are concerned, first of all the writing of books came from China. Similarly, when we talk of the silk is related with China. When we talk of a pen, the pen has come out from China. When we take the example of this copy, the paper is this production, or we can say it is the invention of China. Similarly, when China was advanced in every field of life from the very past, the printing culture at first began in the same country, I mean China. So, first of all, the printing was done on the wood blocks, and that went to Europe later on in 1295. So this wood block print was invented around the 6th century in China. We are in the 21st century. It means nearly 600 years ago, the print culture was taken into hands in China. It came to Europe along with Marco Polo. You know about the Marco Polo. He was the sailor of Europe. And Marco Polo visited China, and there he saw the printing work. He took this concept to European countries. So we can say the concept of printing came to Europe through Marco Polo in 1295. Marco Polo returned to Italy after many years of exploration in China, and he brought the knowledge of woodblock print with him. As on his return, Italians began producing books with wood blocks, and soon the technology spread to other parts of Europe. Before 1295, manuscripts were written by scribes all over Europe. What is the meaning of manuscript? Manuscript means a handwritten document. Whatever we write from our hands, it is known as manuscript. So, manuscripts were also used in 1295, and this was used by to scribe all over Europe. Thus, dear students, it is clear now that print culture too has started in China first, and later on it moved to the other parts of the world. Thank you very much.